today we are going to reset the password for the Mozze lockbox. Okay, so the original password, the default password is 1234, okay, and hash key. So in order to reset, there's a reset button here. You can see. So we can click and press and hold, and then there will be a sound. Okay, press again and just key in the password 1234 again, and you'll see the OK start blinking, right? And you put your designated password. Example 8888 hash key, and then one more time to confirm. Okay, so now it's confirmed. And let's try it.
Shop now at excelhw.com.sg, a Singapore brand.